Welcome back to my vlog. This is your girl Ruby, and right now we'll make a Xiaolongbao Chocolava flavor. So without further ado, let's do it. So here is the ingredients. It's a Goya dark chocolate, creme densada, and the last is a glutinous rice flour. First, let's make a chocolate with a little cream densada on it so it makes a bolya radaghan siya. And we will gonna make it freeze, I guess, or refresh for about 1 hour to 30 minutes. I guess that's it. So, let's go. Let's open it. Here's our bowl. First, let's make, yes, muna to sa diok bali. So here is the chocolate chips. Oh, it's my first time to bought it, no? So, it tastes good. Do you think it's okay na? Then let's put this a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a 1 scoop. Five. Now let's make a dumpling. Anong pakiramdam? Guys, wala ko gin-measure. Okay na ba no? So let's put mineral water, o diba? Mineral water. Sure mo ani? Magamanyan na po. I met the consistency. First, let's wash our hands. And then let's gonna, what do you call it? Bista ka na. So, diba? That's it. So, ato na i-settle for about 30 minutes daw. Yes. Hi guys! We are back. So, na-freeze na siya. And then, na-set na siya. So let's make it. I don't have sa tawag ito? Itong roller pin. Rolling pin. Ito to? Gusto ka na? Oh guys, do you see that? Pag naluto na siya. Make a sauce niya. So here is the salt. Oops. Then let's mix it. Taste it now. Here is the final look. So I'm here going with this one time. Gawas na jud siya. It's so init pa no. And we don't have chopstick on here. Let me show you guys Mr. Glutinous rice yung gamit. Okay ra imong ning daganan kay dagan pa kay sauce adto. Kaon ba?
Kaon naman.
Kaon. Idip.
Init ra.
Pero di na nainit. Ibot nga ra.
Sa manisumay man din.
Kaon na lang. Nam ko ano.
Dagan nagsulod.
O gani, amo na ikuan.
Mi.
Mi.
Yummy.
Dagan na nagkuan. Pwede na mo doon kay dagan kayo sauce adto nabutang. Swerte wala og giurot.
Pero din.
Nga naluto kay kaning duha. Kay wala sila naon sa lake. Tanawa oh. It's God.
Hindi mo po. Susunod ko na.
Oh. Iurot lang kay dagan na ba? Dagan na kay dagan pa kayo ko dito, nakalimot ko dai. Naiusa dito ay wala na luto. Okay ra? Okay ra? Mo man ay kuha sa kanang masi. Gamiton sa masi ba, glutinous rice. Nabuto ko ang nindot nga kuan. Hinimo. Pagkauna ko ni buto. So, that's it guys. Di na ako magpalabi kay Kuya tama diabetes. And naputay PCOS. You know what PCOS mean? It is a polycystic ovarian syndrome. But for mine is I have a PCOM, which is a morphology. And then, when you have a PCOS, your pancreas will still produce insulin. That's why when you eat a lot of sugar, when you eat a lot of sugar and your pancreas will produce insulin, British ba yun? So, when you eat sugar, BTS. So, when you eat a sugar, and your pancreas will still produce insulin. So, sugar and the pancreas, insulin is a like of sugar, right? So, yes, mo taas imong blood sugar. So, being a PCOS girly, we are risk in a diabetes. So yes, I need to do the glucose test yesterday, tomorrow. Magda akong classmate ba? Okay, I need to know my sugar level because lately I've been eating a lot of chocolate. Can you please stop? Okay, di ko ngayon. So, yes, that's it. See you on my next vlog. Babush! Wala na yung mistake, no? It's the second day. Wala siya mistake. Second day.
Pagka ito po ay version natin, kasama tayo ng pinapupulan para mapupuan siya. Para bumalik ka na rin. Pagkento ka sa bahay, exercise yung utak mo, pa-injection ka namin.